Yoga for beginners. Relax and strengthen your body and mind. Namaste and welcome to our video. Today, we have a special treat for all the beginners out there. In this video, we'll embark on a journey of relaxation and self-discovery through yoga. Whether you're new to yoga or looking to refresh your practice, this session is designed for you to relax and strengthen both your body and mind. Part 1. Introduction to Yoga. Before we delve into the practice, let's understand what yoga is all about. Yoga is an ancient practice that combines physical postures, breathwork, and meditation to promote overall well-being. It's not just a workout, it's a mindful and spiritual experience that helps you find balance and harmony within yourself. Part 2. Preparing for the practice. Let's begin by finding a comfortable and quiet space to practice. Grab your yoga mat or find a soft surface to rest on. If you don't have a mat, no worries. A carpet or even a towel will do just fine. Part 3. Breathing and centering. Now, let's focus on our breath to center ourselves. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your belly with air, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Repeat this a few times, allowing yourself to be present in this moment. Part 4. Gentle warm-up. We'll start with some gentle warm-up exercises to awaken the body. Follow along as we stretch and prepare for the yoga poses ahead. Remember to move at your own pace and listen to your body. Part 5. Basic yoga poses for beginners. Now, it's time to explore 6 fundamental yoga poses. We'll guide you through each posture, emphasizing proper alignment and modifications for beginners. We will show you each pose for 60 seconds, so you can try it in real time. 1. Mountain pose, Tadasana, 60 seconds. Two. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana, 60 seconds. Three. Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2, 60 seconds. Four. Child's pose, balasana, 60 seconds. Five. Tree pose, VRK Sasana, 60 seconds. Six. Flowing through sun salutations, 60 seconds. Part 6. Mindful meditation. After the physical practice, we'll ease into a short meditation for 60 seconds. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Okay, here we go. Let go of any distractions and embrace the tranquility of the moment and breathe. 60 seconds. Part 7. Closing and gratitude. Congratulations on completing your yoga practice. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up and dedicating time to your well-being. Remember, yoga is a journey, and every step counts. We hope you feel more relaxed and connected after this session. Please share this video with friends and family who might benefit from it. Until next time, stay present, stay mindful, and stay blessed. Namaste. Please like, subscribe and switch on notifications for more great health-focused videos from MedTube. Thanks for watching MedTube. Please check out our other videos and stay healthy.